Yeah. Alright. Happy first day of Vlogmas, you all. I'm going to go ahead and try to participate in Vlogmas. I'm not gonna post every single day, but I will try to post every 2 to every 3 days. Anyways, let's go ahead and get started. Today I'm starting off my day with a delicious fruit salad because, I mean, duh. And starting your day off with either fruit or like a nice cold pressed juice is one of the best things you can do for your stomach because it helps to aid in digestion and prepare your stomach for what you will be consuming later on in the day. It might also help to promote healthy bowel movements, and I just want to make sure I'm doing everything for my gut health, everything for my hormones, and everything to make me live a nice and holistic life. Hello beautiful people, and oh, that's so close to me. Hello beautiful people, and welcome back to another I Tell Eat and Treats video where we prioritize health and longevity. I literally am about to go on the road in about 30 seconds. I just wanted to show you all what I eat in a day that is high raw and healthy, even though I'm extremely busy. I have a lot of work to get done. I had a lot of work to do earlier today, and I have a lot of work to do when I come back home. I just wanted to make sure that I'm eating healthy things, and I want to show you all that it's still possible to eat healthy even though you might be busy and even though you might have a tight schedule. All of the recipes here will be linked in the description box down below. Now let's go ahead and start the video. I'm going ahead and chopping up a lemon so I can put it in some water. I always love to have a liter of water when I wake up first thing in the rising as well, because if you really think about it, you are extremely dehydrated when you wake up from sleep. You have been inactive and not awake and not drinking any liquids for the past 8 hours, 7-8 hours. You're dehydrated. All right, get up and drink a bottle of water. I also love to drink a cold pressed juice. This cold pressed juice was so delicious and so incredible. It's like a blackberry fruit punch. It's literally the exact same as my cranberry fruit punch, but I'm putting in blackberries instead of the cranberries. This was so delicious. Today I'm using the Cuvings Auto 10 Plus. As you can see, I didn't have to cut any of my apples or any of my pears. This juicer is still 30% off with over $200 off for the Cyber Monday sale because it was extended to December 5th. So if you're interested, you can use code ITELLEATS30 and the link in the description box. But this sale ends in a couple of days. I have to say really quickly, please stop commenting about apple seeds on my page. A lot of people are well aware that there is cyanide present in apple seeds. But to that, I have to just say 2 quick and easy simple things. Number 1, you have to consume literally 200 crushed apple seeds to be poisoned. Nobody is consuming that large amount of apple seeds. And number 2, my juicer by Cuvings is extremely powerful. They actually separate the apple seeds from the juice, and I've shown my pulp before. There is seeds in the pulp. None of the seeds get crushed into the juice. With that being said, for lunch, I'm deciding to make a delicious Harissa sweet potato bowl. If you're looking at this and you're like, Tiffany, that is not a sweet potato. It actually is. This is more similar to the sweet potatoes that we have in my home country of Jamaica, but this is actually like a Japanese sweet potato because the sweet potatoes that we have in Jamaica are more of like a really golden hue, but this is the closest thing that we can find. We do not really have like orange sweet potatoes in Jamaica. I mean, you can find it, but it's just not as popular and people don't like it as much. Like, we just love our regular sweet potato. I honestly prefer the taste to Jamaican or Japanese sweet potatoes. It's just so delicious. So if you ever are able to get the chance to try one, I 100% say you have to try it, okay? This Buddha bowl was so incredible, you guys. The full recipe will be linked in the description box down below. It was so easy to make because I literally had to run out of the door within 20 minutes. So I just chopped up a couple of veggies, prepared my salad dressing really quickly, and then I just tossed the sweet potato with red beans and other seasonings that I just had readily available. Tossed that into my oven for about 20 minutes, and oh my gosh, you guys, this was so good. also make sure you massage your kale, okay? You have to make sure that you massage your kale every single time that you're eating raw kale. If you don't, it will honestly really mess up your stomach and it'll be so hard to digest. I know lots of people are like, how do you eat raw kale? It's so bad and it's so hard to chew. It's probably because a lot of people have not been massaging it. So it's so key to make sure you're just massaging your kale. I went ahead and massaged it with a tahini peanut salad dressing that is also linked in the description box down below. Super easy to make, and oh my gosh, this salad was so good. After I took a whole heap of pictures and videos, I actually stuffed it into a container and took it on the road because my mom and I had a lot of stuff to do because this was actually filmed the day before Thanksgiving and we just had a lot of errands to run.
Yeah, alright. That slide out, so know me. And I've been in my hideout. Had to pump that, get that thump back. Hello, 1-2 step, I run that, get that boom bap dumping. Make your mind step to the side and make your soul want to sing like ooh, ooh, make your soul want to sing. Ooh, ooh, I've been rolling, ain't no holding back. I owe me for them years of pushing music over dollar. Now my present make them holler, so it's time for that cha-ching. And I've been moving, baby, on the move. And I've been grooving lately, off you, on me, I'm floating on the beat.
So now I'm gonna go ahead and make a fresh oat milk in my Num M1 plant-based milk maker. They're currently having a Black Friday sale that ends on Monday and you can get $60 off. Not to mention that the M1 has a 15-year warranty. The machine is really built to last and it doesn't only just make nut milks, it also makes shakes and it can even make infused oils. I have been loving this. It has been a key thing in my routine, my weekly routine. I use it like every couple of days. It's so incredible. If you're interested, you can use code ITELLEATSM1 and link in the description box for $60 off. I'm taking some raspberry jam, spreading that around in my cup very quickly because I actually have to go out to dinner with a friend. But you guys, I absolutely have been adoring matcha lately. It's so much better for you than coffee. I know somebody in my comments tried to compare it to coffee. I was like, no. Coffee gives you the jitters and can have you addicted. Matcha has a little tip of caffeine, but it is packed with antioxidants and it is so good for you. It has immunity boosting properties. Matcha is genuinely something that is very good for you, so it can just not compare to coffee. And if you've been watching my videos for the past couple of months, I love my matcha, alright? So please do not try to get me off matcha because not only is it good for you, but it makes me extremely happy.
I've got an internet crush. She's not a celebrity, but she's taken, so can't help falling in love. Can't take the hint and give up. My mama told me don't talk to people you haven't met. I guess my mama was right, but it's not 'cause everybody you meet is dangerous, but 'cause they'll break your heart. She plays it so cool, making up her own rules, and I'm a loser for
so good. Then for dinner, I met up with a friend at an Ethiopian restaurant and we shared a big old plate of a vegan plate with different Ethiopian foods. They had foods like misir wot and shiro wot, and oh my gosh, this was so delicious. Ethiopian is honestly one of my most favorite cuisines ever. I was so convinced I was going to marry an Ethiopian person the first time I tried Ethiopian food because it's literally just that good. Thank you all so much for watching today on the first day of Vlogmas. I'll catch you on the next video, so stay tuned because there will be a lot of content released in December. Bye!